Hello everybody, welcome to Kayla x Shonie. I'm Kayla, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a unique twist on the very popular rose bear. For Valentine's Day, instead of giving your loved one a common gift like a bouquet of roses or this rose bear that everyone wants, you can instead give them a rose bear head bouquet, which I'm going to be showing you how to make today. The material you would need to make the bear head form is this 5.7-inch ball, a bag of these half circles, some tacky foam glue, some toothpicks, a foam cutter, and a wooden dowel. The first thing I'm going to do is use this pencil to draw a 2-inch straight line across the foam ball. That will be my guide to show me where I need to start cutting for the ears. Once I have that line created, I'm going to take my foam cutter and starting at the end of one side of that line, I'm going to cut down diagonally. I will do this on both sides. After you cut, you want to make sure that the half circle for the ears will lay flat on the diagonal slope you just cut. You're going to repeat the same process for the nose, but instead of cutting diagonally, you're going to cut straight down. Make sure that you have the nose centered. Next, I placed 3 toothpicks into each cut that I just made. These toothpicks will be used to add stability to the form. Next, you're going to spread tacky glue onto the half circles and push them down into place on the form. The last thing to do for the form is to use the foam cutter to create a hole in the center at the bottom of the head so that the wooden dowel can go in. I also reinforced the wooden dowel with hot glue. The next step is to paint the form. You want to make sure your paint matches closely as you can to the roses that you're going to use. This step is so that if any of the bear form peek through the roses, it won't be a white background. It'll be whatever color the roses are. Then you want to let that sit for a few hours so the tacky glue and the paint could dry. These are the foam roses I used for this project. They are 2 centimeters and 144 come in each pack. I'll be sure to link the roses below. I did only get 2 packs. However, if you want to cover the entire bear head, I would suggest getting 3 packs. These roses come with wire stems, so you want to make sure you remove these from each rose. And the next step is just gluing the roses onto the bear form. As you can see, I did not have enough roses to cover the entire head, but that is okay because the bottom of the bear head will not be showing. The next step is creating the packaging the bear head will go in, and you're going to need half of a poster board for this part. Once you have your poster board cut in half, you're going to roll the bottom of it into a funnel shape like so. Then you're going to tape it to keep it in place. Next, you're going to be creating these little tissue paper clusters. You're going to grab the middle of a piece of tissue paper and pull upward. I did 3 in each cluster, and then you tape the bottom. The next step is placing the tissue paper and the rose bear head form into the funnel. The finishing touches was adding this pretty glitter tulle and a ribbon around the funnel. I did end up changing the white poster board to golden white polka dots because the white poster board just made it look a little too plain. And here are my final results. I think it turned out so pretty, and I think this is a very unique gift to give to someone you love for Valentine's Day. If you happen to try it out, let me know how it turns out for you. If you enjoyed this project, please like, comment, and share this video. And for more content like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell button. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.